Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of checking the balance on your Mastercard gift card. Whether you're ready to make a purchase or just want to keep track of your funds, knowing your balance is essential. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you check your balance, make sure you have your Mastercard gift card handy. You will need the card number and the security code found on the back of the card. Step 2. Visit the official website. Open your web browser and go to the official balance checking page at www.mastercardgiftcard.com. This is the secure site where you can safely check your card balance. Step 3. Enter your card details. Once you're on the Mastercard gift card website, look for the section that prompts you to enter your card details. Input your 16-digit card number and the 3-digit security code. Make sure there are no typos, as this could affect your ability to retrieve your balance. Step 4. Submit your information. After you've entered your card details, click on the Check Balance button. This will send your information to the Mastercard servers for verification. Step 5. View your balance. Once your information is processed, you will be directed to a page displaying your current balance. Take note of this amount, as it is essential for planning your purchases. Step 6. Additional options. If needed, you can also explore additional features on the website, such as transaction history and gift card management options. This can help you better understand how your balance has changed over time. Remember to log out of your account if you are using a public or shared computer to ensure your information remains secure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.